I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you to it's going to show for you like this. Come here to invest in here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to interest payment notice, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here interest payment notice notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.